Good morning, student. Today I am going to revise chapter 4, simple equation. Simple equation. Simple equation. Equation is a condition on a variable. The condition is that two expression should have equal value. Okay. It is also called linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. This is called variable. Students, you have already learned about the variable and constant in class 6 in algebraic expression. Okay. Now, linear. Linear means line, straight line. This is the equation of straight line, and one variable means only one variable. Variables denoted by A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. Then variables are denoted by alphabet A, B, C, X, Y, Z, E, F, etc. Okay. Variable says no fixed value. Understand? It takes different numerical values. Now, one variable 4y plus 8 is equal to 18. This is also one variable. Linear equation. Okay. Linear means degree of variables is 1. Okay. Degree of variable is 1. That is called linear. One variable linear equation. Highest degree of variable is 1. So it is called one variable linear equation or linear equation in one variable. Trial and error method. How to solve the equation by trial and error method. We take some examples to understand this method. X plus 3 is equal to 7. Student, we substitute the value of x, okay, and we find the value of LHS and RHS of the given equation for different values of x. Okay, so x is equal to 1. First x equation is x plus 3 is equal to 7. We put the value of x1 left hand side, x plus 3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, but left hand side, right hand side 7, 4 not is equal to 7, so is left hand side is equal to right hand side? No. Okay. Now substitute the value of x 2, x plus 3 left hand side, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, right hand side 7, 5 not equal to 7, no. Now substitute the value of x, 3, left hand side x plus 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 6 not equal to 7, no. Students, we substitute the value of x till the left hand side becomes equal to the right hand side. Okay, so x is equal to 4, x plus 3, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 7. You can see, if we substitute the value of x 4, left hand side and right hand side equal, value of left hand side and right hand side is equal, so 4 is the solution of given equation. Student, you have learned how to solve the linear equation by trial and error method. As we have seen that this method, means trial and error method, is time consuming. We have a better method to solve the equation, a systematic method. We go stepwise to separate the variables on left hand side of the given equation. Students, we have some rules to solve the equation. Students, we can subtract same number to both sides. We can add same number to the both sides. We can multiply both sides by same number. We can divide to both sides by the same number. Okay, so we solve this example by systematic method. First, we have to remove 7 from left hand side. To remove 7, we have to subtract 7 both the sides. Okay, x plus 0, 7 minus 7, 0 is equal to 5. So we get x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 is the solution of given equation. If we put 5 in place of x, you can see 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So 5 satisfies this equation. You have learned how to solve the linear equation by trial and error method, then systematic method. Now we will discuss third method, transposition method. Transposition method. Student, we have an equation x plus 7 is equal to 12. Transposition means changing the side of the number, and also the sign of the number has to be changed. So we solve the given equation. X is equal to 12 plus 12 minus 7. Change the sign. Plus sign will be minus, minus sign plus, multiplication, division, and division, multiplication, plus sign, minus, minus, plus, division, multiplication, and multiplication, division. When we transfer the number, we have to change the sign. Okay. Now x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 is the solution of this equation. If we put the value of x in given equation, you can find right hand side and left hand side are equal. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Means transposing 7 to right hand side. You can write in bracket transposing 7 to RH side. Okay. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? Let Lakshmi's age be x. Now, as per questions, 3 times Lakshmi's age, so 3x. 4 year older, so plus 4 is equal to 49 because his father is 49. So equation 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. 3x is equal to 49 minus 4 plus 4 becomes minus 4 if we transpose plus 4 to right hand side. Okay. Now 3x is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 upon 3 transpose 3 to right hand side. So 3 15 ja 45. So Lakshmi's age will be 15 years.
Students, now I am giving some question for practice, some descriptive question and some objective questions. First, solve the equation 2x plus 6 is equal to 12. Second, solve the equation 3 in bracket x plus 6 is equal to 21. Third, 5 added to a number gives 9. Find the number. Fourth, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is the Lakshmi's age? Multiple choice questions. First, the solution of 5x is equal to 25 is A 20, B 125, C 5, D 30. Second, the number which when divided by 9 gives 4 is A 36, B 9 upon 4, C 4 upon 9, D 5. Third, the statement for x plus 2 is equal to 6 is A. The sum of x and 6 is 2. B. The sum of x and 2 is 6. C. The sum of 2 and x is 6. D. B and C both. 4. A condition on variable is called A. Variable, B. Equation, C. Power, D. None of these. 5. Any terms of an equation may be taken from one side to other with a change in its A. Power, B. Value, C. Sign, D. Variable. Okay student, have a nice day.